got a little break in the weather, so when I went outside, so quite a bit of standing water over there, which we always ground feels mushy, which is weird. We're way too high for that, but water's come up about 5 feet on the grass. Looking pretty full. Water's running downhill so fast it's sort of tearing up the edge of the grass where the ficus bush is. Dude, I still think it's time to play. And I just emptied the rain gauge. It was full at 5 inches. It was over the top, so the water's standing there and there. The wind blew so hard that that little cart there, wind came behind it and blew it out to where it is now, which was very peculiar. A lot of stuff came down from the trees. There was a couple of palm fronds that came down and already moved them. Oh yeah, that screen got blown in. Ooh, yuck. I'm not walking over there, y'all. Too much water. Doodle says, time to go in.